Excuse me guys, I'm playing around with angles today because today we are taking the sedan out and apparently everything is fixed as much as possible. The shifter fixed itself. I don't know why, I don't know how, but I'm not complaining. It just fixed itself, so that's good now. The headlights are working fine, indicators are working fine. Actually, scratch that. Headlights are working better than normal, but it's not the right way it should be running. Because now my high beams are slightly on when it should be completely off right now. But because it's slightly on, it doesn't look too bad. And I really like that look, so I'm not gonna ask any questions why, but my high beam only works on one side when I flick the high beam switch, and most likely that's probably to do with another grounding issue, but a win's a win, and we're just gonna take that. So I brought the bucket out today, so that's why I said we're testing out camera angles today, because in this car we don't have the best mounting points. I'm trying to find out how I stuck you guys before. Yeah, so in this car we don't have all the best mounting points, so I hit a bump before, so you guys obviously saw that. So we're going to the car wash. Maybe we're going to be catching up with some of one of my old friends. Actually, not even an old friend. He was my neighbor, my childhood neighbor. Like, we grew up together. We did everything together. We used to play cars and girlfriends with my Hot Wheels at home. We used to play Dragon Ball Z outside my house, outside our houses. We used to run into the paddocks when the grass was like probably 1 meter high, and we used to build like a little fort inside there. But definitely good memories with this neighbor, so hopefully he gets the chance to come out. And if we're lucky enough, he'll bring out his S2000. He's had this S2000 probably, safe to say, more than 10 years. I'm pretty sure it was his first car. And like I said, if you get to see him, you get to see him. How's this for visibility as a camera mounting area? So as you can tell, my voice is a little bit up and down because I am someone that suffers from bad air, also known as hay fever. So with the pollen and stuff going on around tonight, I'm feeling a little bit, my nose, I'm sneezing, and right now I could probably sound quite nasally, and I'm trying my best not to sniff as much as possible. And hopefully you guys now will notice every time I sniff, because if I didn't mention anything, you guys probably wouldn't have noticed it. So as usual, it's Friday night, and this is the first time I've actually seen someone pulled over on a Friday, mind you. And let's see, I don't think it's no highway patrol, no nothing, but this guy did get done. I was just talking to Robert. Robert's my neighbor, and he was waiting for me to tell him that we all go together. I didn't know that at all. I just kind of said, I'm gonna go to the car wash tonight, expecting that, all right, we'll just meet there or something. But he just told me that he was like sitting there waiting for me to reply. So now Rob's gonna come out, and I told him, since we literally live suburbs away from each other, one suburb away from each other, come around and drive the go-kart. All of a sudden, Mr. Rob is like, oh, I'm a gun at go-karts. I'm a gun at ace karts. But I don't think he knows that this is faster than an ace karts. This is next level. Like, I nearly clocked like 90 kilometers depending on your weight. This is probably why I'm losing weight. I'm trying to get down to as low as possible, and then we can crack the mighty 90 before we upgrade the car. But I don't think Rob really understands how crazy this track is at night time. Going that fast with obstacles to avoid and shitting your pants. So I think he's in for a surprise, and that's only if he does it tonight. But it's a good night, it's perfect weather, warm, no wind. I don't know if he's got a helmet though. I think it's the same size head as I am. He's probably one of the people that I would share my helmet with. Easy, no doubt. I'm not too sure if you guys can hear me over this, but we bumped into a couple of those a while ago. I don't remember their names entirely. I'll ask them for their names again. But the guys that were wanting to tear up the mountains last time, they're here. They're just hanging out, chilling. But I brought a bucket today, just because this car is absolutely filthy and it needs a proper clean. So rather than do this at home, I thought, why not just come out here and do it? I'm not too sure how much I'll actually clean of this car, because it's absolutely disgusting from the close-up videos that you guys saw. But let's try do my best and get rid of everything as much as possible. Is it weird that I'm a little bit out of breath? Scrubbing down this car already, and I'm only reached the fender. How pathetic. Oh, speak of the devil, Rob's here. He's got a very clean S2K. Not overly done, very simple, very, very clean car, I think. Got all this sap built up on the bloody car. It's disgusting. Oh my Lord. So, I'm exhausted. Trying to go through every nook and cranny on this car. It's so dirty everywhere. Door jams, dust, dirt, build up, grime, tree sap. It's not perfect, but I'm like sweating balls right now. I'm just trying to get everything as much as possible, because if I see anything later, I will not be wiping it down. Guys, I'm sweating like mad. Like, look how shiny my head is. More shiny than normal, but we're done. Time for a rinse. Meet Rob. Man, so simple. Wheels, hardtop, lowered, simple. That's all you need for S2000. Nothing too loud, no loud exhaust, no nothing. Very nice touch, I like that. Look who is here. Man, you guys should have told me, I would have brought my EK. Brought the chairs and everything to relax, kick back, chill, this, that. Alright, so to anyone that, sorry I didn't get to hang out at the car wash for too long, guys. My friend Rob, he's throwing down the hammer. He's like, let's go drive your go-kart. And I'm like, oh, all right, let's go. So he's already talking crap about beating the time. I don't think he understands how fast this thing is, but he's gonna find out very quick. He's bitten off way more than he can take. So I'll bring him out onto the track, and then we shall see how he goes. Whether or not he goes, that's a different story. But he'll probably get a feel of the kart, and I think he'll probably start to get cold feet. That's what I think, because I would get cold feet, because I got cold feet the very first time, because it's scary. and it's very fast, and because he's not used to it, it's gonna be really hard. But who knows, maybe he's a prodigy, maybe he's the next Verstappen, you know, who knows. And bloody hell, driving with Rob behind me, he's literally like up my ass. He's lucky I didn't bring the DC2 out, otherwise I would have given him some chop chops. And there we go, the camera mount. But like I said, I'm so jealous. I'm jealous because he's got such a clean car, and I don't have any clean cars. I can have clean cars, but look, let's just admit that I probably can't have clean cars. I'm gonna get some rolling shots today, but bro, this car is so nice. And it's driving it. Really enjoying it. Nothing now, it's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood. Until you're feeling like it's up again. Feel the sunlight on your skin. Keep your heartbeat beating. Go on, breathe in. Guys, this is Rob. Meet Rob, my handsome neighbour. Old neighbour. Actually, we're still technically suburb neighbours.
Now we're suburb neighbours.
Suburb neighbours. Alright, we're just going to go on this car. And I don't think he's prepared to understand how crazy this is going to be. So it's going to be epic.
Do the brakes work?
Don't shoot yourself, yeah?
Honestly, I don't know what to expect. Hey, no seatbelt?
No seatbelt.
What are you talking about?
Come on. Alright, do we have the tacho on? Right,
Oh, that's on.
Headlights.
Headlights.
Alright, there's a button here for a horn. If ever you need a horn.
Hang on, is this... Why you got it upside down for?
Don't worry, I don't know why it's upside down.
It should be on the bottom.
Right, give it a squeeze.
Oh. What's over there? Dead end? Alright. As in like a court. What? Hey, don't say that. Oh. Jeez. This thing's quick. This thing's very quick. I love how there's so much traffic. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. There's cars everywhere. Oh my god. This thing's not normal.
What are your thoughts? How fast did you go?
I didn't even look.
Yeah.
Maybe 40, 50? I don't know, 50?
Right.
I'm just too concentrated on that.
Yeah,
It's a bit wobbly.
It's twitchy.
It's twitchy.
Because of roads. It's the roads. It's the roads and probably a little bit of the alignment as well, but you have fun.
Tires are warm.
Wow, you look like you see this.
I told ya, I'm good at go-karts. This is just a bit sketchy now. This is backyard job, but should we go have a bust? Oh, get the helmet. This is the start point.
This is the start point, and you shoot all the way through. There's 2 tunnels. I'll shoot.
Come, let's go through it. This is sketchy, man. Bro, what's going on here?
So
this is a big track. I'm not doing this, man.
no, obviously, like I said, It's a massive fucking drive.
You said 40 seconds.
I did it in a minute 40.
Oh, a minute 40.
I did it in a minute 40. That's, when you
And
watch
where's the
video,
start? Where's the start now?
I showed you where it was. This is the finish.
Oh, how do
When we turn that corner.
just now when we turn the corner?
Turn that corner at the very start when I said this is the start.
Yeah.
That from there to here.
Oh.
It's like
Oh, so you don't come around again.
It's a sprint. It's a straight sprint.
It's a sprint.
Yeah.
So how do you get to the start?
Or you have to go back.
Oh.
Yeah. Or you can do it in reverse. But like I said,
How about we do this? How about you go behind me?
I'm not gonna be able to keep up.
No, not keep up, but just at least, just in case, God forbid, like, I don't know, if the battery dies, that's a big
Battery's
track.
not gonna die.
All right, but
Battery's not gonna
I don't want to do this by myself, man. This
no.
thing's crazy out here.
Yeah, you have to wear the glasses. You have to wear the helmet.
I need to wear a helmet, yeah.
Because there's bugs and
Oh,
shit.
the bugs are crazy.
Did you feel any rocks and stuff on
Yeah, there's rocks and it's bumpy and it's twitchy.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not gonna go hard. I'm not dumb. I'm not here to compete. But I just want to see.
No, bro, you can't compete. Like,
That-
know when you could win, yeah?
Don't say that.
Know when you could win.
Don't say that.
We're recording. I'll get that. Right.
You good?
Yeah. Right on. Come on.
Gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. Nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood. Until you're feeling like yourself again. Feel the sunlight on your skin.
Boy, I went too far. Not in the night like this, man. This is wild.
You good? Turn it off. You okay? You're not gonna cry, are you?
Take it off.
So, Rob, what do you think?
I honestly, I got worried. Towards the end, I was panicking.
Yeah, you went so far. I didn't even know. I smelt you. Like when I went under the bridge, I smelt you. I stopped there. I'm like, Rob, because I thought you went off because I smelt tires.
Do you know what happens? Why until you see the video? You know what I'm saying? What? You know what I'm saying? What happens?
Alright, thanks, Rob.
Alright, cheers.